Hi, thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you how to get long, beautiful fingers and gorgeous hands. Everybody wants nice hands, right? So let's get started. With one palm, begin pulling the other hand right at the fingers and pull gently 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch hands. Put it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Hands in prayer position, just like so. And now you're going to begin tugging left and right. 1, 2, 3, and you should feel a little bit of pressure as we do this. 6, 7, 8. I feel it tugging at me a little bit. And your palms should also be warming up a little bit as we do this. Now, we're going to take all of your fingers. We're going to take one finger at a time. And we're going to just grab it and pull out. We're elongating the fingers. 1. Why are we doing this? Because we want to have beautiful long fingers. Nice knuckles that are not noticeable. And we can transform our bodies through massage and exercise just like you do working out at the gym. You can do this with your body parts like your face, your hands, your neck. Good job. Next, we're going to open and close hands with the fingers spread out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now we're going to massage the back of the hand by slowly pulling to the knuckle area. We're going to do this on each hand 5 times. 1. It's a slow and steady massage. 2, 3, 4. We're elongating. We're making hands beautiful. And 5. Now we're going to switch hands. Same thing. 1, and it's a medium press. It's not super hard. 2, 3, and you begin at the wrist and you slowly move down. 4 and 5. Good job. Now you're going to take each finger and you're going to squeeze it 3 times. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. On to the next. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Now we're helping circulation. We're helping things move along. 1, 2, 3. Switch hands. You should feel a warmth right about now. Think about it. These areas of the bodies, we never really deal with it. So the circulation really helps as you do these massages. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shake it out. Yay! Great job! You did a phenomenal job. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, ciao my angels. Bye!